Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve this exercise 6.3 starting from the very first question. So I have drawn here the figure, students, and we have to find out the third angle whose value is given as x in the question. ठीक है, ये तीसरी एंगल जो है इसकी वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करनी है, जो कि हम इस एक्सरसाइज में सीखेंगे. एंड सी वन मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू स्टूडेंट्स that in my introduction video I have already told you that when we are adding all the interior angles of a triangle, when we are adding all the interior angles of a triangle, then we are getting its sum as equals to 180 degree. So by using that property of triangle only we will find out the third angle. And how? See, first we will apply that equation and then we will solve that equation. We will separate this variable by as I explained you how to separate the variable in simple equation. Okay, now starting from here. Okay, first segment 6.3 first segment. Okay, here first angle is given as x 50 and 60. Okay, so here we will write its solution, students. Solution. So given angles is equal to how much, students? 50, 60 and x degree. How much? 50 degree, 60 degree and x degree. Now here we will write, what we will write, students? See here, x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Here in the reason we will write y. From where are you writing this? X plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. So here we will write angle some property of a triangle. ठीक है, सबसे पहले क्या करना है, गिवन एंगल को लिखना है. गिवन एंगल को हमने लिख लिया, उसके बाद क्या करना है, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल लगाना है. ठीक है, विच इज इक्वल टू ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री. सी दीज आर द गिवन एंगल्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, सो आई हैव एडेड देम एंड दे विल बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. इन द रीजन यू हैव टू राइट हियर क्लियरली दैट इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. ठीक है, उसके बाद सी हियर वी आर हैविंग these two as constants, so we will add them, students. Okay, so this one will be equal to, or x plus 50 plus 60 you will get 110 degree equals to 180 as it is, students. Okay, now we have to remove this one, so I have already explained you in simple while solving simple equations, students. Okay, here we will write x plus 110 minus 110. Why minus 110? Because we have to remove this plus 110. Since we have subtracted here to the left of the equation 110, so here also to the right of the equation also we will subtract 110 to maintain the balance of the equation. ठीक है, now this 110 and plus 110 will cancel each other, students. Here we will left with only x, and if you will solve this then you will get how much? 70. And this is the value of this x, that is third angle will be equal to 70. Now if you want to examine whether this value of x is correct or not, then all these angles you can add and you can see whether it is equal to 180 degree or not. So see here, 50 plus 60 how much? 110 plus 70 180. So sum of all the interior angles of a triangle will always be equal to 180. Why? Because this is angle sum property of a triangle. So now we will move to next segment, segment number 2. Just wait for a while, students. Now students, we will solve the second segment of question. Okay, segment number 2. Now if you will see the segment number 2, students, the figure I have drawn here, let me explain you the figure first. See, this is the given angle x, okay, that we have to find, and here only one angle is given, that is 30 degree. So you may get confused, है ना, आपको कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है कि सिर्फ यहाँ पे एक ही एंगल, जबकि प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में दो एंगल दिए हुए थे तो तीसरा हमें फाइंड करना था. देन वी ऑल एडेड देम एंड देन वी फाउंड द थर्ड एंगल. बट हियर इफ यू विल सी ऑब्जर्व द क्वेश्चन, स्टूडेंट्स, देन व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. सी ओनली वन एंगल इज गिवन, सेकेंड एंगल इज x. how to find third angle, means how to find out the value of x. So if you will see here students, see the clue is hidden here, यहाँ पे छिपा हुआ है clue, है ना, clue कहाँ पे छिपा हुआ है, यहाँ पे. So this is perpendicular, we know that this is perpendicular, and perpendicular always measures how much angle students. So here it is always equal to 90 degrees, so you can write it here 90 degree directly. Okay, now you will write here given angles, है ना, as I told you, given angles is equal to how much students, 90 degree, then 30 degree, then x degree. Now you add them all. So x plus 90 plus 30 is will be equal to 180. Why? Because of angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, this will be the reason. Okay, now you add these two students, as both of them are same quantity, that is constants. So 90 plus 30 you will get 120, 100 equal to 180 as it is. Okay, now since we have to separate this variable, so this time we will subtract 120 to remove this or to separate this x variable. Okay, since we have subtracted 120 to the left of the equation, so we will subtract it here also. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे क्या करना है, ये plus 120 minus 120 they will cancel each other, and if you will solve this, then you will get how much, x value as 60. Now if you want to cross check your answer whether it is correct or not, then put here how much you got, 60. So 60 plus 30 how much, 90, and plus 90 how much, 180. So the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle will always be equal to 180 degree. So this was your first segment of question, first and second segment of question number 1 students. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.